Right. Was anyone else feeling a bit left out by Seon and David for their "Hey Seon, hey David," blah 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 blah? I was feeling very left out, so I wanted to force myself into the conversation. So, if you'd have missed it, they were designing these PCBs using little cob LEDs. Now, I don't have any of these cob LEDs, and I didn't want to buy any. But I wanted to come up with a different solution to make a 7-segment display out of. But yeah, so let me introduce today's sponsor of the video, BLC PCD. Big thanks to them. You know, you can get high quality stuff for low prices, and yeah, cool. Let's take a look. Oh great, I got a pencil. It's a weird motto, but anyways. Okay. This is what I have. If we take a closer look at this, you can really see the quality that BLC do. You see we got some racing stripes here. Real nice. And I like the extra mile they go as well. I know it's kind of hard to see with the black, but see all this little, ooh, excuse me. Do you see all this little extra bits of plastic that they threw in for free? Like, that's just such good service. I'm really happy with that. And yeah, see how, you know, they give a little bit of pattern here. Like, this should be a straight line, but it's really bumpy. You know, that's just that extra mile again, you know, to make it a really interesting product. Another really nice feature is I designed these holes to be 3mm wide, and despite increasing the scale of the print up to 108%, a 3mm drill bit still doesn't fit in it. So, you know, they're just trying for a bit of extra snugness, and again, instead of giving me all that blank hole, they're giving more plastic. Just superb work. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll be putting this together on an upcoming video. Again, big thanks to BLC PCD. I wonder what that stands for. If you know, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, but you know, really good stuff. Really appreciate it, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.